Alright, today property stories is in Petaling Jaya, a favorite of the locals. I'm in Mutiara Oriental condominium, a freehold condominium located in Tropicana. This is Kenny here, and let me take you to a rare unit for sale. But before that, allow me to introduce you a little bit about Mutiara Oriental condominium. This condominium is completed in 1998 by the developer Capitaland Financial Limited. Its strategic location makes it accessible to major highways such as NKVE, Sprint and LDP. And it's only 2-minute drive from Kelana Jaya LRT station. If you are looking for amenities, this place is surrounded by plenty of amenities. You have banks, you have eateries, you have many shops, groceries are all nearby in SunwayMas Commercial Center, which is also within 2 minutes drive. Surya high-end residence is also 2 minutes drive. Outside you have the landed properties. Okay, and if you are working nearby Dataran Prima, there's offices nearby, you definitely know this place. So come with me and let's check this place out. We are now at a unit on Mutiara Oriental that is up for sale. This unit has 1008 square feet, which is 1008 square feet. It comes with 2 rooms, 2 bathrooms. The owner has done up this unit fantastic. The cost of renovation is about 60,000 according to the owner. And I'll show you what the owner did and how much you can save when you choose to buy this unit. You are just saving a lot of money in terms of renovation. And one more thing, not many people used to know this, but when I came here to KL to work about 10 years ago, I've stayed in this place, Mutiara Oriental condominium. I love this place, and now I'm going to show you how the unit looks like. The moment you enter from the main door, you will notice that the shoe cabinet is been beautifully done up down. There's even a mirror in front for you to adjust your hair, adjust your tie before you go out the house. The moment you enter the house, on your left, you'll be greeted with this large living hall. This living hall is enough to accommodate at least 5 to 8 people, no problem. You can put a couch in front here, L-shaped couch, lays around on the TV in front, and also the internet connection here. If you like to take a relax, and perhaps you can go to the balcony. The balcony will be facing the other block, and in front of me, this side, you have your dining hall. If you want, you can actually renovate it and put like a step up, but the tiles have already been replaced by the owner. You have a new tiles, the whole house, and also new paint job whole house, new railings, new door latch, a lot of things that is done. So this is the hall and the dining hall. Let me take you to the kitchen. You can see I'm at the kitchen right now. The owner has done up the kitchen top cabinet and also the new pipe. This one is for you to put your hood and hob. You can put your hood and hob, it's already readily installed here. So it's saving you a lot of money. If you want to move in, the cost of doing the kitchen is not high, if you want to hang a hanging cabinet, you can do it here. But if you do not want a hanging cabinet, this is good enough where you can entertain your guests here. Or after you are finished, done your cooking, put the food here to serve at a dining table. And this part here, the pipes is already here, plug head for washing machine, side here. Even the exit outlet is already done up. Okay, and again, you will get a new tiles for the kitchen. Let's go to the rooms. This is the master room. Again, owner has done up the paint and new tiles for the master room. Even the toilet, so done up nicely. This is how the master room look like. Tiles, everything new. Comes complete with also the shower screen. From the kitchen, come up from the master bedroom, turn to the left and you'll go down another corridor where you reach the common bathroom. Common bathroom. Shower head place. Okay. On the right is the second bedroom. Second bedroom is also large enough to fit a queen size bed, no problem. The parquet is also new. The parquet is new. So just replace queen size bed, and you can also replace this icon if you want. This is the view. Clubhouse, gym, parking lot, unobstructed as far as your eyes can see. And today it's just after heavy downpour, so the weather is cooling, very cooling. Imagine from this floor, if you are working at home or even at the weekend, stand outside here, feel the breeze. Good. You don't even need to on your aircon in the hall in some days. Hi everyone, thanks for watching. If you like what you see and you would like to get more information or even arrange a viewing for this property is for sale, yeah? My number is below. You can call me, text me, you can arrange a viewing. And if you have any further questions regarding property and financing, you can also text me below or email me. And if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, hit the subscribe button and also smash the like button. You can follow me on the other social media platforms like Facebook or Instagram. This is Kenny here again from Property Stories, and I hope to see you again in the next video. Bye bye.